Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jim Hovland, your Edina Mayor, and this is your daily Mayor's Minute regarding the coronavirus pandemic that we're involved in. It is March 31st, 2020, and we are at a different location at the Hovland household today. We've been on the quest for finding a good spot to convey information from, and we think this is a good spot for us to be able to share some information with you. Let's talk today about groceries and the grocery store business. That's one of the things that we can all be doing. The governor has said in his stay safe at home order that we recognize that you still need to go out and get groceries from time to time. So we are all, I think, going to grocery stores when we need to provision for our households. We are getting more and more emails from folks that are saying, what about social distancing in the grocery store? We're not doing as good a job there as we are other places. And and I think it's a very good point. We had several emails on that just in the last couple of days. And our grocery stores are understandably one of our busiest locations and people are gathering, as we mentioned. So let's think about some reminders on smart shopping. And um, I would say before we begin on those smart shopping tips that my goal is to talk to some of the grocers in our community and see if we can come up with some protocols that they might voluntarily impose on themselves to be able to manage people in the store more effectively to make sure that we maintain that social distancing. So here are some smart shopping tips. If you can do your shopping online, for either delivery or pickup, that would be a good thing to be doing. If you can't do that or prefer not to do that, minimize your trips to the grocery store. Remember to make that list before you leave home and get everything the first time through so you don't have to go back. Leave the family at home. Just send one person to the store is what's being recommended. And that this will help us reduce public crowding in the grocery store itself. And then make sure you protect yourself in public by using those sanitary wipes that I think about when I go to Jerry's or Lund's and Byerly's. I think at Target as well, they've got those sanitizing wipes you can wipe down the cart. And then also remember just to buy what you need. We're all trying to make sure we get through this together. I've seen several segments on television lately about people not using toilet paper. I suppose they're short of toilet paper. They've been using paper towels and other things that can not only clog up your own system, but the systems of the city as well. So be careful about that. And don't flush any of those sanitizing wipes down the toilet, even though it says they're flushable. Don't do it. Put them in the trash because we've had some incidents where we've had sewer backup caused by some of those sanitizing wipes. So be careful about how you use those as well. So I think what you're going to see now, folks, is on the screen all the grocery stores in Edina and their hours of operation. For those of you in our community that are seniors that are listening to this message, make sure you give those stores a call before you go over. They've got some special hours for seniors. I think it's primarily earlier in the morning when they've done all of their cleaning from the night before. And so that's a good, safe time for seniors to be going to the grocery store. And then don't forget about the message from young 5-year-old Amelia from the Concord neighborhood. Stay strong, stay home, stay healthy. This is Jim Hovland, your Edina Mayor, and that is your COVID-19 Mayor's Minute for March 31st, 2020.